what's gonna be new here on this channel, Our Gabled Home? What's gonna be new for 2025? First of all, before I get into all of that, I wanted to give out a big thank you, because if it wasn't for you, I wouldn't be here. And if you hear weird sounds, that's my animals running around. They're waiting for something, I don't know what. I have a dog and a cat who are running around and chasing each other. That's part of my channel, sorry about that. Anyhow, I am so grateful for you to be here, because you guys challenge me, you question me, you inspire me to do better and to do more and to grow, because you're asking me questions and sometimes I don't even know the answer, but then I go and try to find the answer. And that's how I'm learning just as much from you as I hope you are learning here from me. Some of the things are going to stay the same, and that is that in 2025, there will be a lot more sourdough content. I know that often people don't like to bake in the summer because it's just too hot, and nobody needs a hot oven in the middle of the summer heat. Also, during the holiday season, people are not really focused on sourdough baking, but with the new year, everybody has typically new health goals, and people love to make a new sourdough starter. And I'm going to take you onto that journey. I'm going to share some content how you can get started with sourdough, but I'm also going to create a lot more recipes with sourdough and some how-tos and just some tips on how to be successful with your sourdough journey. I will continue posting German recipes because that is my background. I was born and raised in Germany, actually. I have been here in the US for, 28 years now, and I became a US citizen in 2016, but I pretty much identify as a German more than an American, seriously. And whenever I go to Germany, I record videos because I know you also really enjoy seeing German culture. And for many of you who can't travel to Germany, just seeing the familiar or some things that remind you of when you have been there or something that your parents did. So there's going to be a lot more German recipes and culture. I'll also be sharing some homemaking. I love creating a beautiful, intentional home, and it doesn't really matter what your home looks like. And if you think that you don't have the perfect home, or your home isn't this or it isn't that, it's really more about the intention and the beauty that you bring to it. And there's so many little things you can do, and I'm going to share that with you as well. And then some DIY, because there's a lot of things you can do at home, whether that is just some crafts or actually improving your home. And just by the way, this kitchen, for example, my husband did entirely himself, except for the kitchen counters. They're quartz, and cutting them and making sure that they have the perfect fit is somewhat a matter of having the right tools, but also the right know-how. And sometimes it just is more sensible to hire it out, and that's what he did. But the rest, he put all the cabinets in himself, and that's why I think that there are so many things you guys can do with just the know-how and also the faith that you can actually do it. Not everything needs to be hired out. Not everything needs to be taken to some professional. There's a lot of things you can do. What are some changes? The biggest change will be that my upload schedule will change. I will still continue to upload one video a week, but so far I have been posting since the beginning of 2019. For the last 6 years, I have posted on Tuesday mornings, and now I will publish my videos Thursday mornings. It just flows better with my schedule, and it's just going to be another 2-day difference. So look for my videos Thursday mornings. I will take the time off. I'm posting this video on New Year's Eve morning. That's a Tuesday. And you'll be seeing that. You will not see a video from me on Thursday, January 2nd, but the following week I will resume posting because I wanted to take some time for family and friends. And if you're wondering a little bit about my philosophy for life, I have a video that I posted on Christmas Eve where I shared a little bit more about how I go about life and what I think are some of my values and priorities. I will also bring some more home improvements because this is not a perfect house. This is not everything is done. This is a 1910 house, and there's a lot that needs to be updated. There's one bathroom that needs a complete makeover. I don't know if we'll get to that this year, but there's also some bathroom improvements. And then we have a staircase that needs improvement, and then just little stuff. I'm also going to bring some soap making because I think that's super fun. It is super frugal, and soap is just really sustainable because you have it in a little bar versus having something in a bottle and with water, and it's heavy and needs a package, and a soap can just live anywhere on the counter. So that I will post. However, I always love to hear from you. So if you have more ideas or more requests, please leave them in the comments below. It always means so much to me to hear from you. And just rest assured that I try my best to read all the comments. Now, my day only has 24 hours, just as yours, and sometimes I run out of time, but I do really try to at least read the comments. And if you ask me a real question, something that I can answer, I will do so. But if you leave me a request or some suggestion of what kind of content you would like to see going forward, please do so, because if it wasn't for you, I wouldn't be here. So I love this kind of interaction through technology and this kind of back and forth. I know that a lot of you have asked for certain recipes, and I have noted those. I have a running list of videos that I want to make, and I have more ideas than I have time in my life probably. But again, I want to post videos that you are really interested. Now, with that being said, I look forward to seeing you in 2025 in the coming year, and I wish you Happy New Year. I wish you all the best and more for the coming year. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.